Mrinal Bethel. Here I am to talk about India's diversity in culture. So I shall talk about Delhi's diversity in culture. As you all know that Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is a state where different kind of people and culture live together. Traditional costumes of Delhi personify unity in diversity. Delhi is also famous in art and craft work. Some famous artwork is textile embroidery. Delhi is also famous for its historical monuments like Red Fort, Qutub Minar, etc. Delhi 6 or Chandni Chowk is famous for its delicious street food. At last, still we are united together as one nation.